Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed about rendering, rendering pipeline, graphics rendering pipeline and implementation of rendering pipeline using OpenGL. Now in this video we will see few important applications of virtual reality. So let's see. As in previous video, we have discussed what is virtual reality. We know the term virtual reality refers to a high-end user interface which involve real-time simulations and interactions through the multiple sensorial channels. The area of virtual reality where we can use this concept is very wide. Here are few important applications or area where we commonly generally used virtual reality. First one is entertainment. In entertainment, we can see the use of virtual reality in high animations, movies, videos, screensavers for exciting purpose and for make all these more attractive. So for feeling a real environment, we use this virtual reality approach. Second is medical. In the medical field, we use virtual reality concept for performing a real surgery concept, for surgery on remote patient where he is not in hospital, he is in somewhere. So for the remote patient, we can from one place by the virtual reality devices we can perform surgery there, and it teach new skills. This is a very safe and control environment approach. So in medical field we use virtual reality. Nowadays this concept is using very in wide nature. Third is military or for purpose of security or defense purpose. The virtual reality concept used by UK and US in their security in military. They adopted the user of virtual reality in their training purpose as it allowed them to undertake a huge range of the simulations. Virtual reality is used in different branches or areas of service like in Army, Navy, Air Forces, Marine and Coast Guard. These all branches we can use the concept of virtual reality for the safety and realism purpose, and the soldiers who have returned from comms. So this area is very important where we use virtual reality concept. In the sport, we use also virtual reality for revolutionizing the sports industry for players, coaches and viewers. Virtual reality can be used by coach and players to train more efficiently across a range of sports. By the virtual reality, coach is very comfortable to understand their style to the players, what he want to learn to their players. By the virtual reality, he can understand their techniques by the virtual reality devices in the real platform, as they are able to watch and experience certain situations repeatedly and can improve each time. By the virtual reality devices, they can understand their technique to the players by repeatedly showing their actions or techniques to the player. And the next is manufacturing. In manufacturing, virtual reality make it easy to modify. By the virtual reality, manufacturing is low cost and make it more efficient. In the education and training field, we use virtual reality. In this field, we have discussed different examples where we use virtual reality concept, like in driving simulators, pilot training simulators, flight simulators, ship simulators, tank simulators, networking simulators. So there are different simulators where we use virtual reality concept to understand their concept in realism form by the virtual reality devices. So this is all over the video. Thank you.